Hello students, today we are going to start chapter 10 of class 5 EVS and the name of the chapter is Food and Health. In this chapter we are going to study about the relation between food and the good health. Okay, so it is really very clear and you have studied in your previous classes also that food is required for good health. Proper food is required. Only food is not required. We should have a diet that contains all the nutrients from all the food groups and it should be in a balanced manner so that our body can grow in a nice manner. We can grow in a nice manner and no single nutrient can supply all the good things to our body. So food from every food group is very important, right? So let us start with the balanced diet. That is the first topic of our chapter. So balanced diet is a diet which contains all the nutrients needed by our body in the right amount. Okay, so when a diet is containing nutrients from all the food groups, that will be known as a balanced diet that will provide our body with the proper nutrients. So now you will ask that what are food groups? This you have studied in your previous class also. Now we are going to repeat it, okay, and it will be in a elaborated form this year. So here I have mentioned food groups. So the first food group is carbohydrates. We call it go foods. Why do we call it go foods? Because it gives us quick energy. Whenever we feel dull, when we eat a diet that contains carbohydrates, it gives us immediate boost and we are ready to work. So it contains two types of sugars. It is also known as sugars. The first is simple sugars. Simple sugars are easy to digest and the fruits like apple, bananas and grapes, they contain carbohydrates, simple carbohydrates that could be easily digested by our stomach. And the next category is of complex sugars. Okay, and complex means difficult. So complex sugars are difficult to digest, means it takes a little bit more time in comparison with simple sugars. That is why it is known as complex sugars. And things like bread, potatoes, rice, they contain complex sugars. It is also known as starch. Okay, now we will move to the next category of food group and that is proteins. Proteins helps our body to repair tissues and build our muscles. Muscles, you know. And glands also, and it is found in meat, fish, peas, nuts, etc. Many more foods are there, and protein is known as grow food. It helps our body grow in a proper manner. That is why it is said that we should take at least some amount of protein every day so that we will grow nicely. You kids will grow nicely. The next category in this food group is fats. So fats is known as glow foods. It gives us glow. It gives glow to our skin. Okay. So it maintains body temperature and cushions the organs. Fat is the extra muscle part that gives the cushion to the organs, means it gives support to the organs. And when we take extra fat content in our diet, the person becomes obese. Obesity occurs, that is called motapa in Hindi. So the fat should be taken in a very less amount in our diet. So the examples of this fat containing food is oil, butter, meat, etc. Okay, now the next category in this food group is vitamins and minerals, right? Vitamins and minerals are known as protective foods because they protect our body from the diseases. Okay, they help to fight against diseases. They boost our immune. Okay, so the fruits and and all kinds of vegetables contain vitamins and minerals in them. These vitamins and minerals we are going to study in an elaborated way in the next video. Coming video you will study about it. And the next and last category of this food groups is water and roughage. So what is the work of water and roughage? Roughage is found in all the fibrous things, whatever we eat, like whole grains, okay, like bananas. Most of the fruits contain roughage in them. That is why it is said that we should not drink juices. We should eat directly the fruits because it contains roughage and it helps in the process of excretion. Excretion means moving out of the waste material from our body, that is with the help of urination and excretion of potty. Whenever you go in the morning, that is the process of excretion, okay. And it also regulates and maintains the body temperature by doing the process of excretion. So these were the food groups that we have discussed today. In the next video, we are going to talk about vitamins and minerals, various vitamins and minerals. Thank you and have a nice day.